Glad you dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
Fasten your seatbelt, and away we go. Oh, well, on with the show.
Space Mouse. And the secret weapon.
Hiya, folks. I'm Space Mouse. I live down there on the planet Rodentia. But staying on the ground bugs me. I like outer space. I keep in touch with my electroviewer. That's Myciapolis, the capital city of Rodentia. Our royal ruler, good old King Size, is in conference with his Secretary of Finance, Count DePennies.
Hello? Hello? Well. Oh, it's from my secret operator. What does that mean? Who knows? Till I decipher it. Oh, this is awful. It's terrible. It's horrible. The cats on the planet Felinia are planning to invade us. Oh, what'll we do? What'll we do? You'd better call Space Mouse for help. Yes, that's a good idea. I'm glad I thought of that. King Size calling Space Mouse. King Size calling...
You want to see me, Daddy-O? What's the beat?
Well, you are beating it up to Felinia.
You mean that cat planet where all those meow-meows live?
You must find their rocket and destroy it. The fate of all Rodentia is in your hands. Now here, you'll need a disguise, so slip on these cat's pajamas.
Okay. From mouse to cat.
Magnificent!
Wow! Get a load of this crazy slat-eyed cat. Me, a Siamese cat named Charlie Chin. Papa's name Harry Chin. Mama's name Double Chin.
Splendid! Oh, just one more thing. If the worst comes to worst, swallow this pill.
What's the pill for?
How should I know? But all spies have a pill to take when they get in trouble.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Goodbye, and good luck.
In a few moments, I was zooming through the stratosphere toward Felinia at supersonic speed. Then I reached the planet Felinia, where I landed under cover of darkness. My first caper was to investigate the headquarters of the dreaded Meow Meows. There was Big Tom, their leader, with his girlfriend, Persian Pearl.
Hey, waiter, bring us 2 catnip on the rocks.
This was my big chance. Posing as a waiter, I approached the table. 2 catnip on rocks for Honorable Meow Meow.
Hey, you're new here, aren't you, Shorty?
So, but very happy to serve you.
Then bring us some food.
You like maybe a salmon chow mein?
I'm tired of fish. How about a nice mouse burger?
Oh, so sorry. A large shortage of mice. Really hard to get.
Don't worry, sweetie. Me and the boys will bring back plenty of mice from Rodentia.
Pardon, please. How are going to Rodentia?
In my sports rocket ship.
Where are Honorable rocket ship?
For a waiter, you're pretty nosy.
Oh, so sorry for big mouth. Big humble pardon.
What is this? A Siamese cat with a rat's tail? I smell a mouse, you rat!
Here, take the secret passage.
No cat's gonna trick me.
I'm not a cat. I'm a mouse. I'm Secret Agent X.
I hurried out into the night, but the cats had heard Big Tom's signal. It seemed I was surrounded by cats. I was caught like a rat in a trap.
There he is! Let's grab him!
There was no escape. Then I remembered the pill. I started becoming invisible.
I saw him standing right here.
Yeah, that's funny. He's disappeared.
The effects of the pill would only last for a few moments, so I hurried back to my rocket ship. And soon I was speeding through space. But I had failed in my mission, so I sent a hurried message. Space Mouse calling Rodentia. Space Mouse calling Rodentia. The cats are headed your way. That is all. Then I thought of a plan. Maybe it still wasn't too late.
Cats all over the place. Hundreds of them. Oh, what'll we do? All is lost, sire. Oh, dear. Oh, dear me.
Don't worry, Kenny, old boy. This is Space Mouse, coming in with my secret weapon. Space Mouse to the rescue. Stick 'em, Fido. Stick 'em.
Whoa, that was wonderful! Marvelous! But where did you get all those space puppies?
Picked them up on the Dog Star. Got it up here, haven't I, Daddy-O?